Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it as a hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, we'll look at new version of the program 2021.5. I will compare this version with the previous one, 2021.4. Now, there is a data feed generator in the program. This feature is available only for Pro version. You can activate the generation of XML data feed with products for Facebook and Instagram e-commerce. If you want to do this, go to Shopping Cart, Options, and activate option Enable Facebook and Instagram integration. After you upload the site to the hosting, you need to specify this URL to Facebook or Instagram e-commerce section. After this, all of your products from your website will be available on your Facebook or Instagram e-commerce. The next new feature is VAT Manager. This feature is available only for Pro. Now you can set up different tax rates for different countries and shipment methods. We stay on Option tab for Shopping Cart, click here. Here we can see different VAT settings and different groups. We can create new groups and we can add new VAT settings for different countries. For example, this is just a name. Here is our VAT percentage. We can add countries for which this VAT will be added. And now we can specify this rule to different shipment types. That's how it works. The next feature I think is very useful. This is the Shipment Tracking. This feature available also only in Pro. The new version of the program allows you to automatically send emails for customers with the Shipment Tracking code and page for checking this code. For example, if somebody bought something on your online store, you take the product and go to the transport company. When you send the product, the company will give you a shipment tracking code and you can send it to your users. How you can specify these settings in the program? For example, you can go to Order Manager, select shipment method you needed, go to Tracking, enable Shipment Tracking option, specify address of the page for checking the code, and then after someone bought something, for example this product, you receive the email, go to e-commerce cart, here is our order, and click Process. Here you can enter the shipment code that you get from the company. For example, something like this. And after that, the customer will automatically get this email, and here he can find the tracking code and the address to check it. The next new feature is a SKU for products. Here you can specify SKU code and use it to search here or on the site. Also, there is new feature for raw formats. Here is new animation background, 10 styles with some options. And the last new feature is a blur effect for ShowBox window. For example, you can see the text is quite clear, and if you enable blur effect, you won't see the text. In the next video, we'll talk about other useful objects and settings that will help you to work with the program.